Good morning, everyone. Steve here with RV Site to Site. My grandson, Jonathan, he backpacks a lot, and he was telling me about this awesome little table that I just thought looked interesting, and so I decided to order one, and so let me put that thing together. I think all you RVers out there would really appreciate something like this, and so let's take a look. So it comes in this pack right here. I'm going to open it up, and looks like these two things here are connected together. So we'll put these right there, and looks like these two are connected together right there. So we'll put those right here. And I'm not sure what this is. Looks like some sort of a bag. Maybe, I'm not sure. Let's see. And this looks like the main part of it, and we'll see how that works. So I'm gonna put that right there. Now this is the top of the table. So we'll see if we can put that together. I don't think there's anything else in the bag. It looks empty. So let's see what we can do here. I'm at my home base, so let's start with this right here. So it looks like that goes like that, and looks like this will fit in here. So whatever it is, we got to expand it out. There. So far, so good. So we'll put this together, and looks like it goes like that. And we'll start with the center section here, and one of the outer sections here, and this one here. So there's that. Now, okay, so this is the top, evidently. The top has these right here and here, that evidently fit right here and here. So let's hook those on to that. These right here will clip on here. Clipped onto there. And clip under there. Okay. So that looks pretty sturdy. Now this, I'm gonna have to read the instructions to see where this goes. It looks like some sort of a holder clip on. I went in and read the instructions, and this will clip on here. This one will clip on here. We'll get the sides next. And the final one, clip on here. The final thing we do is connect these Velcro strips, say right here. Okay, we do that on all four corners. So this nice little table that my grandson told me about has a nice little storage pouch below. I don't know what you'd put in there, but I guess it's a selling point. And then the nice aluminum top. And this table is made out of all aluminum. There's no tools required to set it up. It's super durable and stable. It's a compact design. It has a unique storage design. The top of it measures 47 inches long by 21.65 inches wide, almost 22 inches wide. It is 26 inches from the ground. It only weighs 13.2 pounds, and it will support up to 225 pounds. Pretty nice little deal as far as I'm concerned. Thank you, Jonathan.
And now, the cooking segment.
Okay, my Ninja Woodfire Pro XL series fans. Today I'm going to be smoking some ribs, and we're going to let those smoke for about an hour maybe. And then we're going to wrap those up and bake them. And then, so let me go ahead and close up my wood fire here. And right over here, just to show you, I already got the pellets loaded, getting ready to smoke. I've got it plugged in. I have this on my more rod tray on my camper. And so it's pulled out quite a bit there, probably 4.5 feet or so. Get it away from, I'm thinking about making a cover to go from where I have my lid up like that to cover so no smoke gets inside the storage bay there. But let's go ahead and get this thing going. So first thing we're going to do is press the on button, and we get hello there. And so we're going to go to the smoker mode. So, oops, too many. Smoker mode. The temperature is fine at 250. We're going to leave a time set at 400. We're going to go ahead and press start right here. And so it says ignition. What that means, it is now cooking the wood chips, or firing up the wood chips. And so we're going to come back and check this in just a little bit and see how it's going. Now one thing I forgot to do, I forgot to tell you that I took these out after an hour of smoking and wrapped them in aluminum foil. And so now I'm going to check the temperature and see what it is in there. That's 210, 211. That's I think that's going to be pretty good. That's 209. And that's 212. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to unwrap the aluminum here. Ooh, that's nice and warm coming out of there. So what I did, I put this on bake. I put this on bake for 45 minutes and let it bake at 350. And of course it steamed in some. And let's see what it looks like in here. Okay, that's looking really good. Now I'm gonna put some sauce on it and put it on the griddle again. And so we'll see how that goes. Now this one looks even better. It looks great. Okay, we're going to spread a little barbecue sauce on this and cook it for about 15 more minutes. I'm sure this is going to be delicious. For this part, we're going to put it on air crisp for about 20 minutes. Okay, let's see what they look like. Oh yeah, they're looking really good. Let it cook just a few minutes longer. Said it has 5 minutes and 30 seconds left. Okay, I think we can take these off. My goodness, they look good. And tender, yes they are. Yes they are, they're tender. Oh yeah, that looks good. We served those up with some candied yams and some vegetables, and I'll tell you, they were delicious. Some of the best ribs I've ever tasted, and perfect for a Veterans Day 2024. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. If you don't mind, give this video a thumbs up, and you have a blessed day.